What's up, YouTube? So today is a big day, picking up the engine and trans right now. So gonna do that, then come back and tow Froggy up to Hanarae's house. So heading to Keyport right now to pick it up. We're here right now with Hanarae, and her dad's in there talking to the guy at TNT Auto Parts. And there's a truck we rented. So these are the things.
These are the things.
They're the things that make my car run.
Well, this will make the car run. That'll make the car go.
Yeah. You need a new fan. Well, you need my fan. Other stuff. You got it. Alright, she's all strapped in. She has a fear of using porta potties, and here we are. She's about to use one. That's crazy. Can't believe it. Alright, well,
sorry,
Hanarae chickened out and she didn't go.
Shut up! I just had surgery.
Oh, okay. Alright, so right now we are just getting the engine off of the truck. Really, it's very high, so we have to lift it up high enough to get off the pallet and not the garage door.
This is a tricky game.
Let it down a little bit.
We good? There we go. You good?
Alright guys, so we're here at Quick Check right now.
Oh my god.
We just had lunch. We just had lunch, and we actually have to stop into the office really quick for a couple things. But we're getting some work done really quick. And then...
Guys, there's not enough time in the day. Do you agree with me?
I agree. So then after we stop at the office, then we're finally gonna tow the truck up to Hanarae's house. And then we're gonna take a look at the engine and see what I need to order. So yeah, that's what's happening. We're stopping back home really quick. And just look at that hood. Look at how it came out. You could actually see, like from far away, you could even tell it's carbon fiber.
Hot.
Well, yeah, it'd be really hot, I'd assume.
Nice clear coat on your windshield.
Yeah. Let's not talk about that.
I could feel it.
I know, you could see it too.
I'll sand it, don't worry.
Oh yeah, I'll just jam my windshield.
Yeah. No, you could put paint stripper on it. I bet he does.
My neighbor's dad, he like works on cars a little bit. I mean, he's like
They're
mechanic.
truck people.
They're truck people, yeah. But
Welding truck.
I know that his kid Frankie, just recently started driving, and like sometimes he helps his dad work on cars. But he has a friend.
He has a friend.
He has a friend over, and they're both working on cars. I'm really proud of him. He's come a long way. I gotta figure out which key. So the tow truck driver. Wow.
Tow truck drivers are savages. Yeah, I'll send the driver's seat.
All chained up, ready to go home. Get fixed. Oh yeah. Alright, we're back at Hanarae's house. And now just gonna wait for the tow truck to get here. He should be here in a few minutes. And then I'm gonna get the car off. We did it! Quick break for the cooking segment of Ethanol.
How do I do this?
And that's
I can't get it out. Because when you pick
Cooking
it up,
with Mama Force.
Here, you do it, so if you drop it, it's your fault.
Okay guys, so we just finished up with dinner, and that's it for the day with the Ford and the engine and stuff. So we're down in the basement, we're getting some chicken nuggets. Oh yeah. Look at that.
I don't.
What are we doing here?
Reorganizing Betsy's old parts.
So these are the seats. So you pull it up to make it recline backwards. But they're made with metal.
Well,
so
not only that, but when the seats go down in the back, you can't push the seat back, and people don't realize, and they're like,
pull
oh, it's
this
not
and
working, and I'm
it
like,
snaps off.
It snapped off. So.
Oh. Alright guys, so I just got home. It is pretty late, so I'm gonna go right to bed. And then I gotta be back up there at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So, I'm gonna say goodnight right now, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.